Hi students, this is session 27. Uh, Topic is create your strategy and advertising budgets. Under that, advertising copy testing. So let me recap the previous class. In the previous class, we discussed various concepts regarding advertisement copyright, essentials of advertisement copyrights, and also other concepts. So let me discuss in this chapter. And the main objective of this chapter is to understand the creative strategy and advertising budget. So what is the outcome of this chapter? I mean, with this session means the students will be able to explain advertising copy testing. Let me discuss the concepts. First one is advertising copy testing. The advertising copy is one of the key area where testing is essential. It contains elements like headline, illustrations, body copy, logo, baselines. It becomes imperative to understand the mix and match of these subjects. Very essentially, we need to see that whether the layout is effectively read out or not. The advertising copy is tested uh, tested. The purpose of free testing is as follows. First one is spot copy error. Second one is to make communication more effective. Third one is proper designing the advertising. Fourth one is to reduce wastage in advertising. Fifth one is to ensure optimum allocation of advertising funds. So second under these all concepts which are come under the pre-testing. Second one is post-testing. The testing of the copy, the testing of the copy after the advertising copy comes out in the media is called post-testing. The audience has observed the advertisement. So the purpose of post-testing is that to find out the impact of an advertising. That is one purpose. Second one is to find out advertising credibility. Third one is to find out advertising comprehension. Fourth one to measure advertising awareness. Fifth one to measure the effectiveness of advertising on sales. Next one to assess the advertising objectives. Advertising objectives are achieved. Next to assess the relative effectiveness of different copies and media plans. Next one is to improve future advertising efforts. So let me discuss what are the multiple choice questions which are available. A longer commercial that mixes entertainment along with the information in a program like format is known as whether advertorial, informational, space feature or classified. Answer is B, informational. Informational. Second one, placement of advertisement inside or outside transportation vehicle is known as aerial advertising, outdoor advertising, transit advertising or classified advertisement. Answer is C. Next one, mass marketing is otherwise known as undifferential marketing, differentiated marketing, concentrated marketing, customized marketing. Answer is A. The local and server was first urbanized and introduced by Net Gravity in January 1996 for delivering online advertising at major publishing sites such as Dash Guide, Google, Microsoft, Yahoo, or Intel Corporation. Answer is Yahoo. Next one is multiple choice questions. Fifth one is a dash is in charge of selecting media for advertising assignments on behalf of the customer. Media planner, media buyer, space seller, copywriter. Answer is media planner. So these are the books which are available for the further reference. Basha, Advertising and Media Management, New Delhi, Himalaya Publication House. Batra, this is also from New Delhi Publications. And Kazmi, Advertising and Sales Promotion, New Delhi, Excel Books publication. Thank you for students. Let me meet in the next session.